In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Facebook page on any phone, any tablet, or any iPad. If this video helps you out, please leave a like, subscribe, and we'll jump into the video. So the first thing you need to do is open up Facebook, log into your account, and then click on the three lines in the top right hand corner. That's going to bring you here to the menu tab, where if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see the Pages tab here. So click on Pages, it's then going to open up Pages, where if you've already joined some pages, if you've already made a couple of pages, you'll see them pages here. But all we need to do is click on Create Page. Facebook are then going to run us through the process of creating a page. So click Get Started, and here you need to give the page a name. So I'm going to call it Funny Dogs. Just to show you an example here, we can then click Next. We then need to choose a category which best describes the page. Now if it's a personal blog, choose Personal Blog. If it's like a funny meme page, choose that. And you can type in whatever category you want. I'm just going to search here for fun, and we're just going to click just for fun, and then click next. It's then going to ask you if you have a website. If you don't have a website, just click I don't have a website here. Then click next. And then what we can do is add a profile picture, and we can also add a cover photo. Now these are two things I'm not going to do in this video, but if you are creating a Facebook page, I would highly advise you add a profile picture and you add a cover photo. So once you've done that, click done, and you'll then be taken to your new Facebook page. So here it is. It's going to tell you that this is important to get the page set up for success. There are a few important things that you need to do. You can complete them now or come back later to finish them off. I would recommend that you do this right now. Get the page set up properly. Add a profile picture, add a cover art, and invite some friends to the page so you can get the ball rolling. Now if we click off this and we then go back and we go to our page again, and to get to your page, click on Pages and you should see it now. So what we can also do is you can post using Post, you can send a photo or post a photo using a photo, you can promote it, and you can view it as a viewer would view it by just clicking View As. And you can see if you've got a cover photo, it will appear at the top here. And this is the page at the minute. You can also add a button, so if we click Add a Button, we can add a button which is a call to action button, which we can send people to our website, send people to get a quote, to call us, contact us, send us a message on Facebook. And these are all of the things that we can add to our Facebook page to get people to do. And that's basically all you've got to do. You've now got to post content, invite people to the page, and grow the page. So I hope that video helped you out. If it did, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.